Hello and welcome back to Fluent Speak Academy. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to write descriptive sentences. If you want to bring your writing to life, descriptive sentences are the key. They add color, texture, and depth to your language. So, let's get started. What are descriptive sentences? A descriptive sentence is one that creates a vivid picture in the reader's mind by providing specific details about a person, place, or thing. Descriptive sentences use adjectives, adverbs, and sensory language to add depth and clarity to your writing. Instead of saying, "The flower is beautiful," you could say, "The delicate pink petals of the flower shimmer in the sunlight." See the difference? The second sentence helps the reader visualize the flower by using specific details. Here are some quick tips to make your sentences more descriptive. Use sensory details. Incorporate the 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. This helps readers experience what you're describing more vividly. Example, instead of "the soup was good," say, "The savory aroma of the soup filled the room, and each spoonful tasted rich and warm." Number 2. Use sensory details. Avoid vague language. Instead of general adjectives, try to be precise in what you're describing. Example, "The sky was blue" becomes "The sky was a brilliant sapphire blue, with wisps of cloud scattered across the horizon." Number 3. Show, don't tell. Rather than simply telling your reader how something is, show them by describing actions or reactions. Example, instead of saying "she was scared," say, "Her hands trembled as she inched toward the door, her heart pounding in her chest." Number 4. Use comparisons. Similes and metaphors can help make your writing more vivid and engaging. Example, "The river flowed like a winding snake through the valley." Examples of descriptive sentences. A descriptive sentence is one that creates a vivid picture in the reader's mind by providing specific details about a person, place, or thing. Descriptive sentences use adjectives, adverbs, and sensory language to add depth and clarity to your writing. Example 1. Before, the cake tasted good. After, the cake was moist and fluffy, with a hint of vanilla and a rich, buttery aftertaste. Example 2. Before, the room was messy. After, clothes were strewn across the floor, books piled up on every surface, and a faint musty smell lingered in the air. Example 3. Before, the car is fast. After, the sleek, silver sports car zoomed past, its engine roaring like a wild beast as it disappeared down the winding road. Notice how these revised sentences make the descriptions much more interesting and detailed. That's what descriptive sentences do, they engage the reader's imagination. Now it's your turn. Here are a few subjects for you to practice writing descriptive sentences about. Take a moment and try to add as many specific details and sensory words as you can. Practice activity. Subject 1. Describe your favorite meal. Subject 2. Describe a place you've recently visited. Subject 3. Describe your pet or a friend's pet. Subject 4. Describe the weather today. Remember, the key is to show, not tell, and to make your reader feel like they're right there with you. Writing descriptive sentences takes practice, but once you get the hang of it, your writing will become much more engaging and effective. Use sensory details, be specific, and show rather than tell. Thanks for watching today's lesson on how to write descriptive sentences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to suggest future topics, feel free to email us at fluentspeak01@gmail.com. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.